What is a VIN and why is it important for locksmiths? The VIN is the vehicle identification number. It's a unique number for most motor vehicles. You can think of it as the fingerprint of your car, truck, motorcycle, sometimes snowmobiles, etc. A vehicle identification number, VIN, also called a chassis number or a frame number. It's a unique code. It includes the serial number used by the automotive industry to identify individual motor vehicles, scooters, mopeds, bikes, etc. The history of the VIN was first used in 1954 in the United States. And early on, from 1954 to 1965, there was no accepted standards. However, in January of 1966, the U.S. government mandated a 13-character VIN be used. That was later changed in 1981, required all on-road vehicles to contain a 17-character VIN. There's a VIN usually on the driver's side, on the door frame. When you look through the window, you can see the 17-digit VIN will be the VIN. And there's some secret VINs hidden in the car to sort of as an anti-theft deterrent. Now for locksmiths, it's important because we know exactly the year and the date and the month the car was produced, was manufactured. And that makes a big difference, especially nowadays, where sometimes halfway through the model year, they'll change the key that's used in the car. Step one, we have to know the VIN, then we know exactly what year it is, and help in finding the key to, or proximity or fob to start the car. Furthermore, some vehicles you can find the key code for that is attached to that VIN. So why is the VIN important to locksmiths? The VIN will tell us the year, month it was manufactured, and the model. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.